Have you ever tried uploading your signature only to get that annoying file to large error? Don't worry, you don't need Fascinate software. You can fix it right inside Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, today I will show you the fastest way to compress your signature to under 50 KB using the built-in tools in Word. Let's dive in. First open your document, go to the insert, click on the picture, click on this device and select the signature file. So now you can see a new tab appear at the top called the picture format. Go ahead and click that. So now look for the adjust group and on the left you will see that there is a compress picture. A small window will pop up with your critical options. Now this is the secret sauce. Under resolution select email 96 ppi and this will shrink your file size the most while keeping it readable. Click OK. So one more tip, make sure you need to delete the cropped areas of the pictures. And here is the crop icon. Just click on that and here you can reduce the file like this one. So this remove all the hidden data you don't need, making the file even smaller than OK. Now just go to the file and save it. Click on save as and click on the desktop, and now you can even save in the PDF and click save. So here is the file size, right click and click on the properties, and here you can see that the file size is only 50.9 KB. Click OK. So if this has helped you bypass that upload error, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.